Hello everyone, welcome back to Tonghak's channel. So today I would like to show you how to cut an audio on a CapCut by iOS. So if you can see here, I already have a video and also audio, but then the audio is quite longer compared to the video. So here I would like to cut the audio. And how to cut it, we just need to make sure that the audio section is on the active mode. So if you click it, so the button below is gonna change into the several options. So now if we want to cut it, just decide which point that we want to cut. I want to cut in 9 seconds. Yes, over here. So I just need to click split. It makes the audio being split into two parts. And now decide which part that you want to cut out. I want to cut the second part, so the second part gonna delete it by click delete. Now I only have one part that's fit into the video. Now let's have a test. Yeah, all is perfect. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.